Ocelot, and guys, today I'm going to talk about how much money I have earned from Reddit, my Reddit lifetime earnings. So before I talk to you about my earnings, the thing is that you can earn money directly from Reddit via this tool called ChainTip. So what you are going to do, if you want to send money to somebody, you have to mention u/ChainTip, and then reply to a person's post, mention u/ChainTip, and within the reply. So what will happen is that you will have an message sent to your inbox asking for your Bitcoin Cash address. So you can send your Bitcoin wallet address from bitcoin.com wallet on your Android device, or Electron Cash wallet from your Android device. And what will happen is that this person will get a message. So now he will reply to the message with his Bitcoin wallet address. If he replies to this message within 7 days, he can receive Bitcoin Cash that you have sent to him. Otherwise, in 7 days, if he doesn't reply to the message, then the money will go back to your wallet. So ChainTip is available on Reddit, GitHub, and Twitter. So guys, I don't have proof for one of the earnings, but somebody called BCH is Future sent me over $1 via ChainTip, and I have claimed this tip. So what happened is, this is the message to claim this tip. Reply to the private message with a Bitcoin Cash receiving address. This will be remembered, allowing other users to send BCH directly to you next time. So I just replied with my Bitcoin Cash address, and the money came to my Bitcoin Cash address, my friends. Another tip was sent to me via ChainTip from Erdogan Talk, like 2-3 months ago, my friends. This was from the community Bitcoin r/Bitcoin Cash, and he sent on the community r/Pakistan, but this account I have deleted because it was shadow banned, so I cannot show you. So guys, I have earned around about $2 from Reddit, my lifetime earnings from Reddit. And if you are active on Reddit, my friends, on any subreddit, and if you provide value, and maybe somebody can tip you as well, and you can earn money from Reddit. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar. I'll be signing off. Take care.